Hello students, let's start our GK class. All take out your GK book and along with me start filling the book answers. Now, today we will start from page number 24. Here the quiz is given to us. In the first question, the picture of some of the musicians are given and along with in the help box the options are given to us that which instrument they are related with. So see what it is. First one, it is a picture of Hari Prasad Chaurasia. He is one of the well-known flute player. So the correct option is option second. Second is Ravi Shankar. Pandit Ravi Shankar is there. He is the well-known sitar player. The correct option is fourth. Third, V.G. Jog. He is well-known violin player. Option is third one. D. Bismillah Khan. Everyone, I think you all know that he is one of the Shehnai player. So, option first is correct. E. Allah Rakha. He is the known tabla player is. Option 6. F. Amzad Ali Khan. He is related with Sarod and the option is 5th. Come to the second question. The most ancient musical instrument. Which is the most ancient musical instrument among the following? Four options are given. Sarod, tabla, sitar and veena. So among these, veena is the ancient musical instrument. Third, which of the following instrument is said to have been invented by Amir Khusro? Amir Khusro is one of the Sufi poet and singer. So, options are Sarangi, Sarod, Sitar and Veena. The correct answer is option C, Sitar. Come to the fourth question. The famous song Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram was sung during Dandi March by the renowned musician. Three options are given to us. A. Mallikarjun Mansoor. B. Onkar Nath Thakur. C. The Digambar Vishnu Palusakar. The correct answer is C. Digambar Vishnu Palusakar. Fifth, name the following musicians. Here the clue is given to us along with in the blank some of the letters are there. Missing letters we have to find out and then make the correct word. He was a great exponent of Indian classical music and one of the 9 gems in the court of Akbar. Well known, the musical player or the musical singer in Akbar's court was Tansing. So Tanseen, Tanseen. B. South Indian saint and musician, composer of devotional song. He is one of the South Indian saint and musician. He sung the devotional songs. It is Thagya Raja. Thyagaraja. Sixth question. What are the following famous for? Here the name of some of the singers are given and to which they are related. Pankaj Udas. He is one of the bhajans and ghazal singer. B. Jagjit Singh. He was the ghazal singer. Mohammad Rafi, film song. Naushad, composer of film song. Now the seventh one, match the musicians with the musical instrument which they play. First, A. Pandit Ravi Kumar Sharma. He is the santur player. B. Ustad Zakir Hussain. Correct option. Fifth, tabla. C. Pandit Vishwa Mohan Bhatt. The correct option is Mohan Veena, option 2. D. L. Subramaniam. The correct option is fourth, violin. And E. Ram Narayan. The correct option is sarangi. Come to eighth question. Which instrument is considered to be the oldest in the world? The oldest in the world is drum. Here it is asked to the instrument which is oldest in the world. So drum is there. And in question second, the most ancient musical instrument is asked. And among the following, so 4 are given here. Out of those 4, which one is the most ancient? And in question 8, that which is the oldest in the world? That is drum. So just take notice of it. Ninth, which Veda deals with the music? It is Samved. Which South Indian musical instrument is asking to the Shehnai of North India? It is Nausadaram. Nadaswaram. What 11th one? What word is formed with the syllables sa re ga ma? Sa re ga ma. It is sargam. 12th one. How many strings are there in a harp? It is 16 are there. How many strings are there in a harp? It is 16. Come to page number 26. Here the questions are given. We have to see what it is related with the music. What is an orchestra? It is a group of the people who play different instruments. An orchestra is a large group of musicians who play traditional instruments. The musicians watch a conductor and play instruments according to the signals made by the conductor. One instructor is there who instructs them how to play it, the song, the music. The conductor of an orchestra uses his hands or a baton to tell the musicians what rhythm to play and how loudly. If you have noticed, if a group of the people is sitting along with this different instrument, in front of them one man is standing who just indicate them like just movement of his hand like this or with a baton how to play the rhythm or the instrument which they are playing. So that group is called as an orchestra. Next is, what are bands? Bands are small group of players who may play only one set of music on their instruments. Some bands have instruments which they can play as they walk around, others stay in one place. Need not to explain, better example you have already in your school, a band parties thing. What is a choir? A choir is a group of people who sing together or sing different parts of the same song. The highest female voice is called the soprano and the highest male voice is called as alto. Again, the best example is in your school. The choir group is there in which some students are there who sing the song, and I think some of you may be the part of it. So the group of people who sing together are called choir. What is a solo item? When a performance is done by alone, either singing or a dance, it is called as solo. A solo is when a vocalist or instrumentalist performs alone or with only one accompanist. A person who sings is also called a soloist. Two people singing together is called as duet. One is there is called as solo, and when two are there it is called as duet. What is a folk music? Folk music is not composed by great masters. It is springs from the common people, from what they sing at festivals and celebrations. Each country has its folk songs and folk musics. Folk songs are there related to the regional area. They related to a particular place. Their dance, their music. Folk dance or folk music is there. What is a synthesizer? A synthesizer is a product of the modern technology which can imitate other musical instrument. You can now create the musical effect produced by an entire orchestra by using just an instrument. By adjusting the synthesizer, you can play a tune, you can play the flute, the guitar, the sitar, just about any instrument. Some synthesizer can be completely operated by the computer. Here, synthesizer can play any musical instrument. So we have completed up to page number 27. In next class, we will continue it. Have a good day. Thank you.